All right, so we have our green beans, our carrots, and our potatoes in our sheet pan with 3 sticks of butter. Now for my green beans, I'm bringing in my ranch seasoning, and we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle that right on top of our green beans. Yummy. Next, I'm gonna bring in my chopped up bacon, and that's gonna go on our green beans as well. This is gonna be the best way to make your holiday side dishes all on one pan. This is a great serving for, 2 to 4 people, families, and it's just gonna be so delicious. Last thing we're gonna put on those green beans is some Parmesan cheese. This is such a great way to make green beans. If you don't like the whole casserole with the mushroom soup, I definitely recommend doing it this way because it's just gonna be so yummy, so delicious, and everyone will love it. Okay, I think we need more cheese. What do you think?
Oh, extra cheese, please.
Oh yeah, perfect. Now for our carrots, I have my brown sugar. We kind of want a sweeter side dish because the other two are going to be savory. So these brown sugar carrots are going to be your new favorite. Oh my goodness. The only other thing we're going to add to our carrots is some cinnamon. Yep, brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter is all you need to make the most delicious carrot side dish. Isn't that so quick and so easy?
Yeah, it's awesome. I love the 3 compartments.
Oh yeah, this pan is the best. Now for our potatoes, I have some rosemary here, and we're just gonna kind of snug those pieces of rosemary right in there. As they cook up, they'll release some delicious flavors, and those potatoes will just be incredible. Make sure we don't get any rosemary in our carrots, even though it might taste okay. That's just not the flavor we're going for with our carrots, only with our potatoes. Now with that rosemary, we're gonna add some garlic. You can use fresh garlic, but I like the taste of jarred garlic, so that's what I prefer to use. But we're kind of just, putting a scoop here and there. The flavors and everything will just combine so perfectly in the oven. Oh my goodness.
Put some garlic on the butter.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Right there.
Perfect.
Now I love extra buttery side dishes, so that's why I added the 3 sticks, but if you don't like that much butter, you can do less. All right, last thing we're gonna add to these potatoes is just a little sea salt because we have to have salt on our potatoes. Come on. All right, you guys, and our 3 easy side dishes all in one pan is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Oh my goodness, it smells absolutely incredible in here. We have our potatoes, our carrots, our green beans. I am ready to give these a try. Let's go ahead and start off with the green beans.
Nice and crunchy cheese.
Yeah, best way to do it. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Let's get some of those delicious brown sugar carrots right on the side. Now it's potato time. Woo, uh-oh, we got a runner. Only thing we're missing is the turkey or ham. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the potato. Oh.
Perfectly cooked.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's gonna be so good.
Is it good?
So good. Let's try carrot. Beautifully cooked, perfectly cooked, buttery, delicious. Green bean time.
Last but not least.
Hands down, green beans are my favorite, but all of them are delicious.